Here, Kaden, Daddy, hold it. Ta? Here. That's okay. Alright. You need to put your pants down. Kaden, look. That's okay. That will clean it. You need to put your pants down. Ta?
Air coming in.
Air coming in? Okay. Good job, Kaden. Bye-bye. What are you doing? I'm gonna drink a water. Okay.
Go in El Paso.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
Are you gonna play over there? Okay, but if you're gonna ride the scooter, you have to have a helmet on.
And black.
Yeah, so scooter and bikes, you need a helmet, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So you don't want to ride anymore?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't ride it.
Okay.